Hey guys, welcome back to BJ Tech. I want to show you guys how to install your Yip Max version 12.5 investment website scripts. So I'm using Osinga for this video section. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube videos. So go to your hosting section. Now this is my domain. It's empty, as you can see. Then go to your hosting section. Go to File Manager. So once you go to your public_HTML, you go to upload, then you select your file. So this is it. I'll just click on it and click open. So guys, while this is uploading, go back to your hosting. Now you just have to create your company email account. Once you create your company email account, ensure to save your information on your notepad, then open your webmail. Okay, because there's a configuration email being sent to your webmail whenever you open a new account. So after you've done that section, go to database wizard or database. So let me just fill out this information. So once you use, if you're using cPanel, once you get to this section of where you put your password, ensure the password is 100/100, and again click on all privileges. Okay, now click on create. So our database has been created successfully. So I'll go back to my file. Okay, the file is still uploading. So guys, our file has been uploaded successfully. So I just have to extract this. Now double click on the folder, ensure to copy all information here and move this to my public_HTML or my add-on domain. Okay, let me just delete this. So guys, if you're using cPanel and you were not able to see this .htcss, just click on the top right corner here, click on the settings and click on, there will be a tab that will show a pop-up. Click on that all privilege show hidden files, which is very important. So that's all. I'll go back to the website section and reload. Now this takes us to the installation process. As you can see, all here is active because my PHP version is 8.1, but for 7.4 or higher it works perfectly fine. Now all these things are PHP extension. So go to your hosting section. So once you come to your PHP configuration section, go to PHP extension. So these are PHP extension, and you can see GD is clicked. If you go back to your installation, this is it. If you get to see that most of this information are not clicked, just go to your PHP extension. You'll be able to fix those issues. So go to next step. Now these are to give those folders or file permissions. Okay, so go to your public_HTML, go to core, bootstrap. Now for this cache section, right click on it and go to permission, put this to 775. Go back to core, storage section, right click on the storage, give it permissions to 775 also. Then click on this storage, do the setting for app, do the same thing for the framework, do the same thing for logs. So I'll go back to the installer, reload the section. As you can see, so this is how you do it. Then you go to next step. Now I'll just have to fill out all this information, which is easy. Here you just have to put your admin password, admin email and username. Here is the purchase code. Database here is localhost. Then the database is created. Then your website URL. So let me just fill them up. So I've done all this. Then I click what? install now. Successfully installed. Then click on visit home page. As you can see, now this is the Yip Max version 12. Now this comes with several new template design. So go back to your file manager, go to public_HTML, delete this install. Good. So this is it, guys. So to get your admin information is admin, your domain is /admin. So here should be your admin email and password you created. So I'll just come and click on login. So this is it. Now to set up your cron job for this information, I won't be going too deep for this installation. I just want to show you how to install your Yip Max version 12. So if you want to see how you'll be able to configure all the settings, just go straight to my YouTube channel. You will get to see the other video on the Yip Max version 10, which I was able to show you guys every step all the way. Okay, so for this section, I just want to show you guys all the templates for version 12. I won't be going deep on the installation because we've done with the installation. Okay, so what next is, if you go to manage theme, you can see this light blue is a new theme. I can select any of the old theme also. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. It comes with this light blue theme. Click on the red theme, activate this. Now you are not allowed. Now if you are purchasing this script from me, the same process you did for the version 10 on how to install, once you go to your .env, what you need to do, the same process you have to do with this same also. So I've done that. Let me go back to, if you get the version 12, I also sent screenshot and image on what you do in order to be able to edit the admin side. So let me just reload here again. Then activate the red theme. You can see. Then go back to the home page and reload. So this is a red theme. This comes with light blue and the red theme. I can see the upgradement of this version 12. Now go back to the admin. Now this red theme and the light blue theme is the new theme added to it. Now the rest old theme is, you can also get them with the old version. So basically that is it, and this comes with more refined interface. So guys, this will be all about this website. If you like this script, please message me on WhatsApp on how to get it. It's affordable, or go to biggianttech.com. my website is able to get most of the scripts and check out the active demos. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this script, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform if you're new to my YouTube. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.